Ano pong totoong nangyari kay Yusek Cabral?
Manghuhula ako,
Hindi.
investigador.
Missy, what are you doing?
Ah,
More
encore?
daw, more.
You're asking for some.
We didn't prepare.
It's okay. Magical things happen when you ask for it.
Missy,
Good evening,
Everyone
my
is
Roger.
Gordon Ramses. Madam is here to answer any questions. So kung meron po kayong tanong, please raise your hand. We have spit members in the audience with microphones.
We have a question from over
Yes.
here.
Bale, ang question ko po, kasi magti-10 years na po kami ng jowa ko. Ang tanong ko po, kailan po kaya siya magpo-propose sa akin?
Ah.
Pwedeng mamaya
Pwedeng
ikaw ang
mag-propose. Alright, I hope that's sound advice. Yes, Angelica.
May tanong po si Paul.
10 years naman na akong tagtuyot. Kailan kaya ako mababasa?
nandito ang
Iyong
kasagutan.
usap kayo after the show.
Madam, may question po si Miss Maita.
hello po, Madam Oracle. Ask ko lang po kung ma-retain po ba ako sa program ko next SEM.
Anong program ba?
Accountancy po.
Accountancy.
Dalawang bagay dapat i-account.
Una,
Nagbibilang ng
credit.
pangalawa. Nagbibilang
Ng...
debit.
So basta ginagawa mo yon, mareretain ka sa program mo. I think is what she's trying to say. Yes, Miss
A lovely lady named Aya has a question up here in the balcony.
Hello.
Ilan pa po ang makukulong next year?
Sindami
Ng tao.
nandito.
Wow! I love that. Yes, Thea.
Kina has a question.
Hello, Kina.
Ilang grapes ba ang dapat kainin sa New Year's Eve para magka-jowa?
Kumain ng
Keso. Hindi grapes. Cara, yes.
Yes, a question from a birthday boy, Jason.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Ano pong totoong nangyari kay Yusek Cabral?
manghuhula ako,
Hindi.
investigador.
We have a question from Wally.
Hello, Wally.
Paano pag yung minamahal mo may ghost projects?
Mas mahalaga ang bayan kaysa
Minamahal.
kaya
Unahin mo
ang bayan
bago.
sarili.
Break na yan.
May kaibigan po akong animator, sobrang underpaid. Paano po namin siya mako-convince mag-awol?
Oh.
Hindi answer ang awol kapag ang empleyado ay
Magaling.
dapat humanap ng better, bigger
Opportunities. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Angelica.
Philip has a question.
Will Lasal win the UAE Championship?
Will LaSalle win the UAAP Championships?
sorry.
They will
Win
when I
become
their muse.
We have a question from Andrew.
Yes.
Mag-shift po ba ako ng course?
kaya mo
Magbayad
kung
kaya
mong
lumipat. Pero
kung
kaya mong
lumipat,
di magbayad. Wise words. Yes.
Ali has a question.
Hello, Ali.
Hi, Madam Oracle. Nasaan po si Zaldico?
Nasaan si Zaldico?
Manghuhula.
Ako.
Hindi. Investigador.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our Oracle, Ariel, Chester, and Ding Dong.
Spit Manila.